By watching this video, you will be able to answer the 5 questions mentioned in this video and become a successful YouTuber. Hi friends, hello and welcome to Science Academy. Before you start a YouTube channel, you should ask yourself a few questions and find answers to them in order to become a successful YouTuber. Otherwise, your channel may fail. The questions are: what should be the category of my YouTube channel? This is the first important question you should ask yourself before starting a YouTube channel. The category is the area where you may find topics for your videos. The category for your YouTube channel should be something you are passionate about. There are many different types of categories that you can choose from, such as music, gaming, comedy, beauty, fashion, lifestyle and how-to, etc. If you are interested in cooking, then you could make a video about how to cook certain dishes or go through your favorite recipes. You could also make videos about specific ingredients, how to pick out the best produce at the grocery store, or how to cook with them. If you are interested in playing games, then you could make videos about your gameplay, tips or tricks, etc. One important fact to remember before selecting your channel category is that you should be knowledgeable in that category. Otherwise, you may have difficulty finding topics for your videos. Who is audience for my YouTube channel? A YouTube video is designed to be watched by a general audience, might not get views because it is not special. If you make videos without knowing the needs of your target audience, you will not get enough views or watch time to make your channel monetizable. This audience can be anyone, from teenagers to grandparents of any gender. The target audience for a YouTube video is made up of people who are interested in the topic being discussed, people who are looking for new information, and people who want to be entertained. You can choose your target audience from different parts of the world, different age groups, different income levels, and different interests. But you must try to understand the interest of that audience. If the audience gets interested in your video topics, that means more views and watch time. So, you should know your target audience so that you can make videos about topics that are interesting to them. Your channel will grow faster as a result. If you have watched this video till now, please click the like button. What is the goal of my YouTube channel? A YouTube channel is a great way to grow your business and connect with your audience. However, it can be difficult to know what kind of channel you should create. It is essential that you have a clear purpose for your channel and set goals for what you want to achieve from it. There are many different purposes for your YouTube channels, such as to share your knowledge, to make money, to sell product, to provide entertainment, to build an audience. So, you must know the purpose of your YouTube channel, and it must solve some problems or provide some value to the viewers. What should be the name of my YouTube channel? The name of the channel is usually the most important decision. It is the first thing that viewers see when they search for a channel, and it's what they will remember about your content. The name of your YouTube channel should be something that is easy to remember and make sense. It should also be unique so that you don't run into any copyright issues. Some people choose to use their names as their channel name or the name of the company they represent or product they sell. Others might use a catchy phrase or a memorable word. In this session, we will go over some tips for naming your YouTube channel so that you can create a memorable and effective brand. Make sure the name is not too long or too hard to say. If you have a long name, it might be hard to remember, and people might not want to type it out every time they want to find your videos. On the other hand, if it is too short, people might forget what it is called. Make sure your name does not contain any numbers or symbols. Numbers are confusing and symbols are difficult for some people to read. If you don't want people to have difficulty finding your videos, make sure they don't. A few famous YouTube channels are T-Series, PewDiePie, MrBeast, etc. Should my video be face-to-face or faceless? The answer to this question is not simple as it seems. There are many factors that you should consider before deciding which type of video to create. Face-to-face. When you are discussing a topic, viewers can see your reaction and expression. It is more personal and people usually feel more connected. It can be intimidating for a viewer because they might feel like they are being judged or watched. It might be difficult to convey emotions in a face-to-face video because it is hard to read someone's expression from a distance. Faceless videos. Faceless videos allow viewers to focus on what you have to say without being distracted by your expressions or reactions. Faceless video might come off as less personal than face-to-face videos, but they can also be very powerful if done well. If you are able to find an answer to any of the above 5 questions and this video helped you, then please subscribe to Sans Academy. If you have any doubts or questions, please type them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.